Hello friends, welcome to my channel Spoken English Class. তার মা তাকে খুব মেরেছে. His mother has given him a good beating. His mother has given him a good beating. এখনো আমি বইখানি পড়িনি. I have not read the book yet. I have not read the book yet. তারা এক সিদ্ধান্তে উপনীত হয়েছে. They have arrived at a decision. They have arrived at a decision. এই মাসে আমি তার কোনো সংবাদ পাইনি. This month I have had to no news of him. This month I have had to no news of him. তোমরা কি চা খেয়েছো? Have you taken tea? Have you taken tea? আমি একটি চিঠি লিখছিলাম. I have been writing a letter. I have been writing a letter. তিনি কি সবাই হাজির হয়েছেন? Has he turned up in the meeting? Has he turned up in the meeting? আমি প্রায় 2 ঘন্টা ধরে আপনার জন্য অপেক্ষা করছি. I have been waiting for you for almost 2 hours. I have been waiting for you for almost 2 hours. তোমার দেরি হচ্ছে কেন? Why are you late? Why are you late? সে 5 ঘন্টা ধরে ঘুমোচ্ছে. He has been sleeping for 5 hours. He has been sleeping for 5 hours. তারা কি সকাল থেকে এখানে কাজ করছে? Have they been working here since morning? Have they been working here since morning? গতকাল থেকে মুষলধারে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে. It has been raining cats and dogs since yesterday. It has been raining cats and dogs since yesterday. আমি গত 5 বছর যাবৎ এই অফিসে কাজ করছি. I have been serving this office for the last 5 years. I have been serving this office for the last 5 years. মেয়েগুলি একটি গান গেয়েছিল. The girls sang a song. The girls sang a song. তারা সেখানে গিয়েছিল. They went there. They went there. আমি একটি হাতঘড়ি পেয়েছিলাম. I got a wristwatch. I got a wristwatch. সে অনেক মাছ ধরেছিল. He caught a lot of fish. He caught a lot of fish. করিম একটা সাপ দেখেছিল. করিম saw a snake. করিম saw a snake. কলম্বাস আমেরিকা আবিষ্কার করেছিলেন. Columbus discovered America. Columbus discovered America. আমি সূর্যোদয় দেখেছিলাম. I watched the sunrise. I watched the sunrise. সে আমাকে ডেকেছিল. He called me. He called me. ট্রেনটি সেখানে থামল না. The train did not stop there. The train did not stop there. তোমরা কি খেলা দেখেছিলে? Did you watch the match? Did you watch the match? পুলিশ চোরটিকে গ্রেপ্তার করেছিল. The police arrested the thief. The police arrested the thief. সে একজোড়া নতুন জুতো কিনেছিল. He bought a new pair of shoes. He bought a new pair of shoes. পাখিগুলি উড়ে গেল. The birds flew away. The birds flew away. গত রবিবার তার সঙ্গে আমার সাক্ষাৎ হয়েছিল. I met him last Sunday. I met him last Sunday. ক্লান্ত লোকটি পথে বসে পড়ল. The tired man sat down on the road. The tired man sat down on the road. সে কি রোজ বিকেলে হাঁটতো? Did he walk every afternoon? Did he walk every afternoon? সে সারাদিন ঘুমিয়েছিল. He slept the whole day. He slept the whole day. তোমরা কি ভাত খেয়েছিলে? Did you take rice? Did you take rice? তোমরা কি সেখানে যাওনি? Did you not go there? Did you not go there? আমি আমার কর্তব্য করেছিলাম। I was doing my duty. I was doing my duty. জোরে বৃষ্টি পড়ছিল। It was raining hard. It was raining hard. অন্ধকার হয়ে আসছিল। It was getting dark. It was getting dark. তুমি কি এ কথা বলনি? Did you not say this? Did you not say this? তিনি জ্বরে ভুগছিলেন। He was suffering from fever. He was suffering from fever. আমরা তখন চা খাচ্ছিলাম। We were then taking tea. We were then taking tea. তারা বাঁশি বাজাচ্ছিল। They were playing on the flute. They were playing on the flute. সূর্য ওঠার পর আমি বিছানা থেকে উঠেছিলাম। I rose from my bed after the sun had risen. I rose from my bed after the sun had risen.